In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view bank accounts on Freshbooks. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, keeping track of your finances is crucial for the success of your business. Freshbooks makes this task a lot more manageable with its user-friendly interface. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to access your bank accounts using Freshbooks. To begin, let's start by navigating to the accounting section. You'll find this located conveniently in the left-hand navigation bar. This is your gateway to all things financial within Freshbooks, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Once you click on Accounting, a range of financial management features will open up before you. The next step is to locate and click the Chart of Accounts sub-tab. This tab is crucial because it provides a structured overview of your financial accounts. Think of it as a sophisticated digital version of your traditional paper ledger. The Chart of Accounts compiles all the financial accounts you'd expect to see in your business, providing you with a comprehensive snapshot of your financial standing. Upon accessing the Chart of Accounts, you'll notice it displays a complete list of all your business accounts. This includes various categories that are essential for tracking different elements of your business finances. The sections you'll see here are asset accounts, which show what your company owns, liability accounts, representing what your company owes, equity accounts, which reflect your owner's share of the company, revenue accounts, cataloging your income, and expense accounts, which detail where your money is going. Each category plays a vital role in painting a full picture of your financial status. It's beneficial to closely examine these accounts regularly. Doing so can help you get deeper insights into your business, enabling you to make informed decisions and adjustments when necessary. For instance, by analyzing your expenses, you might identify areas where you can cut costs, or by observing the revenue section, you could recognize trends and strategize on ways to increase your business income. Remember to keep this chart updated as you make changes in your accounts or add new ones. This practice ensures that your financial records remain accurate and useful for assessments, planning, and even tax purposes. That's all there is to it when it comes to viewing bank accounts on Freshbooks. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to having a comprehensive understanding of your business's financial health. With a clear view of these accounts, you can feel more confident about managing your business finances efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps streamline your financial tracking in Freshbooks.